He's doing curl-ups. Come on. It's your abdominals. It's your thorax. Whatever you have. Abdomen. Yeah, you have an abdomen. Use it. Come on. Whoop. Going the wrong way. Can do it. Whoa, back bend. Ew, is there an ant on him? Oh, there's an ant on him. Will he curl up or fall down? Oh, wait, is he just going into mummy position? Oh. Huh. Might be in trouble with that ant there. I've seen some ants eating the ones that don't quite make it. Ooh, nicely done. Your beady little eyes. Ooh, look at these guys. Where are you going? Towards safety, I presume. Oh, I wonder if they go to the leaves now for food. I'm guessing leaves are part of their diet. Best day ever. Great day to be a cicada. Go, little buddy. Whoa, look at him. Now this could be some good bird food if the right bird came along right now. Be a feast, wouldn't it?